Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be going over this K&N Recharger Kit that basically allows you to refresh your K&N air filter without having to buy an entirely new one. So without further ado, let's get right into what's included in the box. So there are two spray bottles that you get with the packaging. This is the air filter cleaner fluid, and this is the air filter oil spray can that you use to basically spray the air filter once you've finished cleaning it. So it's quite simple, it's just two bottles, and other than that, let's go right to the tutorial. So this is the air filter of my WXSTI, and as you can see, it is quite filthy because it has not been cleaned in around several thousand kilometers, so you know it's about time to refresh this air filter. So what you want to do first is grab the air filter cleaner and just spray it all around the air filter like so. And I don't know if you can see, but the dirt is starting to fall into the dirt, and the old oil is starting to fall into the sink. So the cleaner is all over the filter. We're gonna wait for a bit before rinsing it with water. Okay, once that's done, we can go and start rinsing the filter. As you can see, all the dirt is going right out. Keep doing this until the water that comes out is clean. Now, as you can see, the water coming out of the filter is nice and clear. So you can go ahead and turn off the tap, and the next step is to let the air filter dry off before applying the oil. So what we're gonna do is let this sit outside in the sun for a bit so it dries off a bit faster. Now cue the time lapse. If you made it to this part of the video, I want to ask if you guys could please subscribe to the channel, as it's free and it helps me out a lot. If you guys don't like the content, you can simply unsubscribe as well. Thanks. Now, back with the video. Okay, so now that the filter is all dried up, we can continue with the last step, which is to spray on the oil. So you want to open the can. This is the version with the spray nozzle. There is a cheaper version where it's just liquid instead of this aerosol can, which I would say it would be much harder to apply. So I would definitely recommend getting the aerosol spray can version instead. Now, without further ado, let's start spraying the oil onto the filter. So you want to get enough oil that the filter starts turning an almost reddish color. Spray it nice and even. Do make sure you have a well ventilated area, by the way, because of the vapor from the oil. Currently I have my bathroom windows open. So there you go. Once you have the air filter all coated in oil, you are now ready to install this onto the car. So that's it for this video. If you guys found this video helpful and whatnot, please do leave a like. Other than that, do subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more content like this. It's free and helps me out a lot. So yeah, that's all for now. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.